Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to film me unboxing the Pusheen summer box for 2018. So without further ado, let's keep this intro super short and jump right into the unboxing. So here's what we're looking like. Always have the cute lid. And yeah, I'm just gonna jump right in because there's a ton of cute stuff in here. So this box does retail for about $50 and it is quarterly. There's usually like a discount code you can use the first time round. If I have one, I can link it. If not, I will just link Pusheen box down below. And let's see, let's start right off with this shirt. So it looks like we got a tank top. Oh my gosh, so cute. So it is like an aqua color and it's got Pusheen and friends right there on the beach. How adorable. You get little birds. I thought there was like something on this, but it's actually got little tiny dots on the yellow part, which is the sand, and they're all eating ice cream. Let me get you a really good look at that. So cute. My box does come in a large size, so I want to be sure that it's kind of like nice and comfy, but I will definitely use this. I might throw this on tomorrow. I'm off and I get to lounge around my house tomorrow, so this might be a good thing to wear. But how adorable. And it is just like the solid aqua color in the back. Oh my goodness. So I see a water bottle. This is the BPA free hand wash only skinny cylinder type of bottle, but Pusheen is a catacorn and eating an ice cream, and then it's got sprinkles all over the bottle. So cute. I will most certainly use this as well. Oh, and finally I see a card. Like, I went straight to the items, but the card's really cute too. You've got Pusheen, you've got a sloth, and some other cats down here. All right, we've got some paper straws. Oh my god, they're so cute. A couple of these kind of remind me of Lisa Frank designs because they've got little catacorns on them and clouds and rainbows, but they are really, really adorable. I swear it's like he knows every single time if it's a Pusheen video because he's all up in it. Yeah. You're like my very own Pusheen. You're so handsome. Do you like? Okay. So we got some paper straws. Those are really cute. And I know paper is a lot better for the environment than plastic straws. Let's see what's next. This is an inflatable beverage float and it's a Pusheen. I feel like we kind of have to open this up. I can't lay this plastic down because he will chew it. Look how cute. And let's see. This is a little skinny for it, so it's probably a pretty decent size for a drink, but it's so cute. Okay, so we got our figure. Oh my god. Somebody got me the first time I opened this, they're like, that's a collectible. Oops. So I will just try to show you this one. It's okay, so it's this design. He's surfing, and that's what it looks like on the inside. So Pusheen's on a surfboard, and it's actually got like a little water, like a wave in the figure itself, but it's nestled back in that box really nicely. We got a plush. Okay, I can't help. I love stuffed animals and plush things. And if you've ever priced things like this in a store, they're really expensive. These can be like 20 bucks. Mini Pusheen-a-corn pot. Oh. My goodness. So his little horn is actually like, you could actually use this to like water plants with, but this would also be cute for like creamer. We got one more thing. This is a desktop USB fan. Oh my god, I have to open it. Wanna try it out, Minners? You wanna try it out? Alright, so I've got a power bank and we're gonna plug her in. Oh my god, it's actually pretty strong. Can you hear it? How adorable. Makes me want a desk job. Got a decent little breeze going on. Alright guys, that is everything in my Pusheen summer box. I have to say, I really like it. I feel like every time I say, ooh, this is my favorite one, but it does have a lot of stuff I'm going to use. I really like the cute little fan. The tank top is really cute. The cup and this are adorable. I'm such a sucker. I love the plush. She's so cute. I love her. So that's everything, guys. Thank you for watching, and make sure to hit that like button. Give me a big old thumbs up if you enjoy, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and turn on those notifications before you leave. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.